5 dinner ideas you'll love after gallbladder removal. After gallbladder removal, eating can feel tricky. Your body needs time to adjust to digesting fats without the gallbladder's help. The key is to enjoy light, nourishing meals that are low in fat but full of flavor. Here are 5 simple and delicious dinner ideas after gallbladder removal that are easy on your digestion and satisfying for your taste buds. 1. Lemon herb baked salmon. Choose baked instead of fried. Salmon baked with lemon juice, garlic, and herbs provides lean protein and healthy fats. Pair it with steamed vegetables like broccoli or zucchini for a balanced, gentle meal that supports recovery. 2. Turkey and quinoa stuffed peppers. These colorful peppers are filled with lean turkey, quinoa, and diced tomatoes. They're rich in protein and fiber, yet light enough for your digestive system. Bake until soft, and skip heavy sauces or cheese to keep it gallbladder friendly. 3. Ginger chicken rice bowl. A comforting bowl of poached chicken over jasmine rice with steamed spinach or bok choy is soothing and mild. Add a hint of ginger for flavor and its natural anti-inflammatory benefits. It's simple, warm, and easy to digest. 4. Lentil and vegetable stew. This plant-based meal is full of fiber and nutrients. Simmer lentils with carrots, celery, and herbs in a light broth. It's filling, supports digestion, and keeps your energy steady without adding extra fats. 5. Poached whitefish with sweet potato mash. Light and tender whitefish like cod or tilapia works perfectly when poached with lemon and dill. Serve it with mashed sweet potatoes for a touch of natural sweetness and added vitamins, a gentle, wholesome dinner idea. After gallbladder surgery, eating smaller portions and avoiding fried or greasy foods is key. These gallbladder removal dinner ideas provide nutritious, low-fat options that are satisfying and safe for your new digestive routine. With mindful choices and simple cooking methods, you can enjoy flavorful meals while supporting your recovery. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.